What's up, yo? What's up? Oh, he caught that. Oh, oh, oh. Uh-oh. Is it a sixer? Is it a sixer? Is it a sixer? Oh, he caught it, dude. He caught it. He caught it. That was a good catch, dude. Look at that. I'm going to slide, make sure I don't go out of bounds. Ooh, pull my feet in. We don't want... Ooh, so close. Oh, it's the cheaters. Oh. Oh, what? Oh, dude. Of course, they're cheaters, but yeah. Nice. Good teamwork. It's like me and Rishikesh cranking out the Empire. Nice catch. Nice catch. What is this dude? Somebody comb his hair. Oh. Mmm. Nice catch. Zimbabwe, huh? West Indies. Oh. What a catch, dude. What a catch. You look at him, he's just like, are you kidding me? What is that? What is that? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh. Oh. It wasn't that good. There were better catches in this video. That was alright. Oh, man. Did he get hurt? Anybody get hurt in that? Ooh. Hope nobody got hurt in that one. Nice. He didn't. He's up. Dwayne Bravo. Hurt his groin. Oh, dude. It's a good piece of hitting, man. Be running for days if that dude didn't catch it. They'd be running for days. What is that? He was trying to be sneaky. Sneaky. Is it trying to? I don't know. Not really. And he doesn't drop it. That's impressive. That he doesn't drop it. The hand hits the ground and he doesn't drop it. That one was okay. That one was okay, dude. You gotta love that, man. I need to figure out where the American cricket team is. And if there's not one, put one together.